Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are discussing about a very interesting topic, which is how to send the telepathic message to someone and get back the proof within 72 hours. Yes, I'm so excited to deliver this information. Please do watch this video till the end because I'm going to reveal the lot of tips and tricks and also the action plan. I know you are here means you want someone to think about you. Is he or she is there, or he or she is far from you, but you want the response from them. So listen carefully because this technique is very powerful. I have seen the result with the real people before my eyes. They are all got the response. 99% of people got the response by using this technique. So this technique is very simple but yet very powerful. I'll explain this concept in just 4 steps. The first step is awareness. You have to aware of what's going on. You have to understand how universe works. Remember, everything in this universe is energy. So every person is energy. We are all made up of same energy, but we are vibrating with the different frequencies. That's why we are all looking different. What is our frequency? Our feelings, thoughts, beliefs, and actions. This is what our frequency is. I can call this as FTBA. Feelings, thoughts, beliefs, and actions. As per the law of universe, like attracts like. If our FTBAs match with the other FTBA, that will attract. This is the science behind that telepathic message. We are all experience this feeling sometime in our life, but we are unconscious about it. Have you ever experienced this? Whenever you are thinking about some person, suddenly he or she has come to you or visit you, or he or she will call you or text you. Have you ever experienced this feeling? If you are experienced, do comment me in the comment section. This is happening because you are thinking about the person and that person also thinking about you. Whenever this frequency matches, boom, this attraction happens. If you don't believe me, let's do this experiment. Let us imagine you're sitting on the chair. So you are connected to the chair and that chair is connected to the floor and the floor is connected to the deeper levels of soil and also the core magnet of the universe. Everything in the universe is an attraction happening because the element that it is in the earth. So that magnet attracts other person also. Consider to the upper part of the body. You have connected to the air is connected to the sky, and the sky is connected to the universe, the planets in the whole universe. That's why we are all connected. Everything is connected to us. That's why when you send a message mentally or telepathic message to someone, if the other person also thinking about you at the same time, then your FTBS and other FTBS of the person will match and the boom, the attraction happens. Some people get that response from other person instantly, whereas some other people takes long time because it's all depend on the degree of the frequency, degree of the intention that you are vibrating in. Nikola Tesla says, if you want to understand this universe, understand in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. So if you have a strong intention, strong burning desire in your heart, and that people also having the strong intention, then definitely matches your frequency and attraction happens. So the declaration, I'm connected to everything, everything is connected to me. So what's the action plan? So first step, what is that? Choose the person who you want to attract, who you want to send a telepathic message. The second step is write the happy moments and also the happy situations that you have experienced with that person in the past, the very good traits about them, the skills, whatever you liked about that person. You just write about all those things in your journal or the diary. It may be 10, 20, 30, 40, 100, whatsoever the number is. You just feel the happy about that person. Whenever you feel that happiness while thinking about that person, you are vibrating with the happy frequency and the love frequency. That makes other person also think about you. The third step is set the strong intention and release that into the universe. The fourth step is once after you get the response from that person, you just plan where you want to meet. It may be the vacation, or you go to the coffee shop, or whatsoever it is. You just plan where you want to meet that person. Act as if you already got the response, and plan about the vacation or about the meeting with that person. And this step is very, very important. Don't ask how. Whenever you ask how, when will it come, how that person will call you, is that is true, and these are the doubts. So whenever you ask to the universe how it will come, even though the universe try to explain you, you won't understand, because it is like teaching the rocket science to the first standard student. Universe has infinite ways to get your goal. So you just don't ask how. Relax and count as many as happy situations with that person and see the magic. You will definitely get it. If you don't believe in me, try this experiment and do comment me what is happened after you did this experiment. And don't go to the disappoint stage if you won't get the response, because it's all depends on the degree of your vibration. So raise your vibration, you will definitely get it. I hope you like this video. If you're not yet subscribed my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon for more new updates, and also free law of attraction question and session every week on the Sunday. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much.